Introducing the Makedo Create Kit, your ultimate toolset for imaginative cardboard construction. The Create Kit is packed with everything you need to bring big ideas to life, whether it's for family fun or group activities. Let's take a closer look inside. As you unbox, you'll find Makedo's iconic screwdrivers, 180 screws, 60 of the larger screw plus, fold rollers and safe saws. Looking for inspiration? Scan the QR code to visit the Makedo Hub. The Hub is full of inspiration for making at home or in the classroom. You'll find ideas for everything, from castles to cars, costumes to rocket ships. Many of these have been made from the master makers here at Makedo HQ, but you'll also find even more creations from our wonderful community. There's a Makedo toolkit for every occasion. Start small with our Explore Kit, or scale up with Discover. The new Create Kit is perfect for a whole family to get creative together. For schools, makerspaces or events, go all out with the Invent Kit. Ready to build? Get your Create Kit today at make.do and don't forget to sign up for our email list to receive 10% off your next order. Subscribe to our channel for more creative project ideas and start building the world of tomorrow with Makedo.